Roll up the spliff for Coachka style. Fire, blaze through the night. Jaja wisdom, make guiding light. Burn the chalice, herbs ignite. Freedom rise, Babylon take flight. See fire, blaze through the night. Jaja wisdom, make guiding light. Burn the chalice, herbs ignite. Freedom rise, Babylon take flight. Them want control me, but me stand so tall. Babylon chains can't hold my soul at all. With me chalice of white widow pure. Rasta chant for the one secure. The lion roars, me spirit soar. Through the storm, me knock your door. Them can't silence the truth me bore. Babylon shake to the Rasta core. Oh, the roots grow deep, the winds them howl. Oh, the moonlight guide, the wolf them growl. Oh, me chant for the light, fi break the coal. One Jah love for the weary soul. Pass the spliff with the diesel strong. Jah vibration make the wicked wrong. The smoke rise high, the spirits belong to the Zion drum, the eternal song. Blaze the fire, let the ashes fall. Babylon crumble, them lose it all. Me walk with Jah on Zion hall. Herbs in a hand, me hear Jah call.
Lion step on the mountain top. Jah guide me trot, me nah go stop. Burn Babylon with the fire hot. Freedom rise and the chains them drop. Cali kush in a chalice bright. Spark up truths in the moonlight. Roots man chant till the morning light. Jah love shine and Babylon fright. Yeah man, me say Rasta calling, the trumpet blow. Zion road me I trod it slow. Herbs in a palm, me spirit grow. Babylon crumble like ashes flow. Blueberry haze for the meditation. Lift me soul with Jah vibration. The wicked fall, them face frustration. Aye, Rasta Marcus preach liberation. Them psalms in a morning light. Jah sunrise burn the evil night. Wisdom deep like a river bright. Shoot them fierce so them fight the fight. Oh, the lion roar for the earth's vibration. Oh, Rastafari bring salvation. Oh, Me nah bow to them separation. One love for all, no division, no nation. So past this cliff, me brethren true. Purple skunk for the higher view. The battle fierce, but Jah guide me crew. Freedom rise, Babylon can't subdue. Lion step on the mountain top. Jah guide me trot, me nah go stop. Burn Babylon with the fire hot. Freedom rise and the chains them drop. Cali Kush in a chalice bright. Spark up truths in the moonlight. Roots man chant till the morning light. Jah love shine and Babylon fright. Yeah man, me say Rasta calling the trumpet blow. Zion road me I trod it slow. Herbs in a palm, me spirit grow. Babylon crumble like ashes flow. Blueberry haze for the meditation. Lift me soul with Jah vibration. The wicked fall, them face frustration. Aye aye aye, Rasta Marcus preach liberation. Them psalms in the morning light. Jah sunrise burn the evil night. Wisdom deep like a river bright. Shoot them fierce.
Zion ay 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 ay. Marcus Reggie. Herbs and hills, me heart so free. Me I feel Jah breeze from the tamarind tree. Babylon one chain, but them can't catch we. Roots man chant, let your melody be. Roll up a spliff of strawberry kush. Light it up slow, feel Jah push. Roll up a spliff of strawberry kush. Light it up slow, feel Jah push. Early morning me a blaze the fire. Zion drum beat lift me higher. Babylon come with them fake attire, but Rasta truth them can't acquire. Jah whisper through the trees them sway. The herbs I speak when me kneel fi pray. With me chalice full of the ganja tray. Rasta Marcus smile pon Zion way. Me say herbs for the healing, love for the soul. Rasta are the key fi unlock Jah goal. Babylon tremble, them heart run cold. Freedom of the politic worth more than gold. Under the moonlight me chant and sing. The hills them echo, Jah blessings bring. Northern lights in a chalice swing. Jah vibes pure, let the spirits cling. Herbs and hills, Jah spirit fly. Me blaze blue dream, me touch the sky. Babylon fade, them can't deny. Rasta live on, Jah vibes not die. With me spliff in a hand, me soul so free. Jah guide the way, from sea to sea. The hills them sing, the stars agree. Herbs and hills, Jah love fi we. Herbs and hills, Jah spirit fly. Me blaze blue dream, me touch the sky. Babylon fade, them can't deny. Rasta live on, Jah vibes not die. With me spliff in a hand, me soul so free. Jah guide the way, from sea to sea. The hills them sing, the stars agree. Herbs and hills, Jah love fi we. Herbs and hills, Jah love fi we. Jah love fi we. Herbs and hills, Jah love fi we. Jah love fi we. Herbs and hills, Jah love fi we. Jah love fi we. of the drum. Under the sun where the Rasta come. Freedom anthem me sing and strum. Babylon can't hold the roots man's Smoke sweet islands, come feel the vibes arise. Jaja bless me seat in the skies. Yeah, oh, yeah, yeah. Yeah man, me say mango trees and coconut breeze. Life so pure like the island seas. The people smile though the struggle squeeze. Rasta chant, Jah name with ease. Marcus roll up spliff the Jamaican gold. The spirit a guide, me heart not cold. Rasta Marcus preach of stories told. Freedom forever, the roots unfold. Unity strong like the ocean wave. Jah bless we life, feed the soul he save. Babylon one take, but Rasta give. One heart, one love, feed the life we live. Oh, reggae sound fill the midnight air. Oh, just spirit linger everywhere. Oh, me now feel no worry, no care. Jamaica vibes make the lion hear. Sweet Jamaica, land of the drum. Under the sun where the Rasta come. Freedom anthem me sing and strum. Babylon can't hold the roots man's Smoke sweet islands, come feel the vibes arise. Jaja bless me seat in the skies. Yeah, oh, yeah, yeah. Yeah man, me say pass the spliff with banana kush. The vibes are flow like Zion's lush. Jah light shine, Babylon hush. The Rasta anthem make the soul rush. Sweet Jamaica, land of the drum. Under the sun where the Rasta come. Freedom anthem me sing and strum. Babylon can't hold the roots man's Smoke sweet islands, come feel the vibes arise. Jaja bless me seat in the skies. Yeah, oh, yeah, yeah. Yeah man, me say
What's the time? Yeah, man. Babylon them fall, them crumble down. The wicked system can't wear the crown. Jah light a shine, no darks around. Mrs. Zion rise on holy ground. Pineapple Express in the Chalice pond. The wicked scatter them never learn. Them build them city on slave blood flow. Corruption deep but the truth them know. Me say youth man rise, let your courage show. Babylon fear when the fire glow. Chalice full with gorilla glue. Wisdom shine, me walk Jah crew. Rasta Marcus chant for the faithful few. The righteous road, me push on through. Me chant for the warriors bold and brave. Me say Jaja sheep we not be slave. The chains them break, we leave the cave. Freedom call, it's love we crave. Oh, oh, them can't hold we back no more. Oh, oh, Zion key unlock the door. Oh, oh, me say Babylon's end is sure. Truth shine bright, it's Jah we adore. With me spliff of Durban poison true. Babylon shiver when me pass through. Them system weak, them can't undo. Jah bless Rasta, Jah bless you.
so deep. Jah protect my soul when me sleep. Herbs in a hand, me heart a keep. Babylon tremble, the righteous sleep. Them try to divide, but the roots them strong. Jah melody make the people belong. With me chalice of pineapple express long. Me chant Jah songs, me sing Jah song. The earth vibrate with the wisdom pole. The herbs them tell of the truths untold. The lion guide when the night get cold. Rasta Marcus rise, the vision bold. The roots them speak, the winds them call. Herbs are heal, them cure it all. The lion march, the chains them fall. Freedom rise like the Zion wall. Smoke the chalice, let the roots man see. Babylon fall like the tallest tree. The herbs them bless, the soul so free. Zion rise, Jah melody. Roots of Zion, them call me name. Jah love eternal, it burn like flame. With the herbs of life, the lion tame. Babylon fall, them lose the game. Roots of Zion, them grow so deep. Jah protect my soul when me sleep. Herbs in a hand, me heart a keep. Babylon tremble, the righteous sleep. It's so good, yeah man. Freedom chant, we raise it high. Under your sun, beneath your sky. Babylon want hush, but them can't deny. The truth of Rasta will never die. Roll up the chalice of OG Kush. Blaze the fire, let your light push. It's a mountain tall and river deep. Rasta vision make the spirit lead. Babylon tricks them can't deceive. Jah love eternal, me nah retreat. Rasta Marcus pass the chalice bright. With Jah love me conquer the night. The herbs a whisper, the path is right. Zion guide me, my future bright. Roots them strong like the ancient tree. Wisdom flow like the deep blue sea. Babylon fall, them can't hold we. Jah light of the truth, me destiny. Oh, me chant your name in a storm and calm. Oh, Rastafari keep the heart
the split star sick. Haha, let's go. Under the Rasta moonlight clear, Jaja voice my soul can hear. With the smoke of OG Kush near, Babylon fade, no dread, no fear. River run deep, the stars them shine. Herbs in a chalice, the spirit divine. Coconut breeze, the mango vine. Jalo flow through this heart of mine. The night so still, the drum beats flow. Wisdom speak where the herbs them grow. Them want me bow, me tell them no. Freedom rise like the rivers go. Beneath the stars their heart beats strong. Jah light guide me, to make me belong. The herbs them speak, the night so long. Meditation deep with Jaja's song. With northern lights, the world so calm. Herbs in a chalice, Jah healing balm. The Babylon quake, them lose them songs. Rasta chant, Jaja, the only arm. So pass the vibes, let the music play. Jah light guide me every day. The moonlight path leads Zion way. Babylon fall, me nah go stray.
Zion echoes, ay 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 ay. Yeah man, smoke ganja every day. Rasta sunrise, the morning bright. Jaja bless the day, me heart so light. Smoke the herbs, the vibes unite. Zion love shine through the night. The rooster call, the day begin. With me spliff of blueberry spin. Babylon won't fight, but them can't win. Jaja shield, me heart within. The sun arise on the mountain high. Herbs in a chalice make the spirit fly. Rasta Marcus chant, feed the world comply. One love for all, let the hate run dry. Feel the warmth of Jah sunrise. The morning light make me spirit rise. Herbs of Zion, open the eyes. The Rasta truth them can't disguise. Pass the chalice, let the circle turn. Herbs of wisdom, the fire burn. The Rasta sunrise make the spirit yearn. Freedom call, me soul confirm. Smoke the vibes till the evening come. Jah light guide me, me overcome. With the herbs of Zion, me heart a drum. Babylon silent, the righteous hum.
Young man smoke weed and roll the hash. Lift the chalice of freedom high. Jaja power make Babylon cry. Smoke the herbs, let the spirits fly. Zion road me not deny. Them build it all upon lies and greed, but Rasta see through the wicked creed. With me spliff of lemon haze in need. The lion rise, the righteous lead. Them want me fall, but my heart stays strong. The herbs them chant is Zion's song. Them can't divide, them can't prolong. Jah light shine bright in night not long. Rise and blaze the fire hot. Rasta spirit them can't forget. The truth shine bright, them wicked plot. But Jaja guide where the herbs are sought. My blaze purple kush feed the healing vibes. Rasta spirit make the soul survive. The smoke rise high, the ancestors arrive. Zion drums make the heart revive. Lift the chalice, let your fire burn. The wicked flee, them never learn. With the herbs of life me heart discern. The freedom call me spirit turn. Lift the chalice of freedom high. Jaja power make Babylon cry. Smoke the herbs, let the spirits fly. Zion road me not deny.